Hi everybody, welcome to this SPM Modern Maths revisions. This is lesson number, this should be lesson number 19. So in this video, I will talk about SAT also, but this is a part 2 for SAT. Okay, so first thing I want to introduce to you is operations on SAT. We have two types, union. This one we call it union and intersection. Okay, so normally if you see a word here for the union, they will use or. Intersection, they will use and. Okay, what does mean is actually very simple. Let me give you two sets. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, then B, 4, 8, and 12. Okay, so if I want to draw, want to use a Venn diagram to represent these two sets, so how do I draw it? So first you need to observe, is a B the subset of A? No, right? B is not the subset of A, and they have the common element, which is 4, 8. Okay, so we need to overlap. When we draw it, we need to overlap these two sets, A and B. So normally we will fill in the element for the overlapping area first. So we 4 and 8. So here is 4. Remember to put a dot, and 8. So B we have 12, but this 12 is not inside A. So I need to put it here. 12. So the rest 2 is not inside B. I need to put it here. 2 and 6. Last one will be 10. So double check. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, correct. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So when I tell you, when I want you to write down the element for A intersection B, means that the element in A and also in B, then it will be the overlapping area, which is here. So which is this part, overlapping area, 4 and 8. So the number of elements for A intersection B is 2. Okay, so when I want you to list out the element for A union B, so it means that the element must be in A or B. So A or B, we take all the elements here, then it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12. Okay, we check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, correct. It's something like plus. It's just act like a plus. A plus B. Okay, so number of elements for A union B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So now I think you should be able to understand, right, what union means and what does a intersection mean. Okay, remember the symbol. Okay, next we go to look at these type of questions, how to shade the regions that asked by the questions. It's actually very easy. So now we want A intersection B intersection C. Okay, I think I show you this method first. We can represent each region by a number. For example, I just simply label 1, 2. One region can be only represented by one number. Okay, here 3, here 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now every region is represented by a number, right? So now I want A intersection B. So we do it from the left hand side. A intersection B. So what is the element? A and B overlapping area, which is 3 and 2. Now when we look at A intersection B, we just ignore the C. Don't look at C. So A and B overlapping area is here. So we have 3 and 6. Okay, now we proceed to see A intersection B and intersection C. So the area here, this one, this part, okay, we use a color, this part, this part, which is overlap with C, 6, right? 6. So the region that we want is actually here. Okay, so if let's say the question is not really complicated, actually I think you don't have to use this method. Okay, and let me show you another method. It might be easier. It just depends on you. You can choose any method that you want as long as you can get the answer correctly. Okay, same thing. A union B union C. Okay, so just now I told you, right? Union is just like the plus A plus B. Okay, so it's actually very easy. Same thing. I start from the left hand side. A plus B. A whole thing I take plus B. B also I want. And union C. Okay, C also I take it. So this will be the final answer. Easy, right? So how about this one? A intersection B, intersection B. A and B overlapping area. So now we just ignore about C first. A and B overlapping area will be here. Right? A and B overlapping area. Union C. Union C means add the C. Whole thing. Whole C we take it. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, so this is actually we cannot shade outside. Okay, only inside here. Okay, then we go to the next one. Okay, when you have bracket, we need to do the bracket first. B union C. Okay, when you see union, always very easy. This is like you just add like plus A plus B plus C. C also I take it. Okay, so this is B union C. When you see this one, you need to be more careful. Always you need to erase some part. Okay, the region that you have shaded just now, B union C, must be in A, then only you take it. If the region is not inside A, you cannot take it. So we know that what we need is actually here, right? Inside A. Outside A we don't want. What we want is only this part. So the rest we have to erase it. So this one the one. Okay. Okay, so the final answer will be this. If you do step by step, really understanding is actually very easy. You can get the answer very fast. Okay, this one, same thing. I start from bracket. A union B. A plus B. So this is A. If I want A union B, it will be like this. A union B, right? I need to shape these two circles. A union B. But the problem now is A union B complement outside of this. So I shape beside these two circles. I cannot shape it. Okay. So A union B complement will be like this. Okay, this is A union B complement. Okay, you see the intersection sign again. This sign always need us to erase some part. The region that you have shaded just now must be in C. then only we can take it. If the region is not in C, we need to erase it. Okay, so only C we want, inside C we want, so this one all we don't want. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, how about this one? You see the diagram is different, but the way how we do it is the same thing. B union C. Okay, this is B union C. Complement outside. So same thing, or we shade it. Except the B and C, we cannot shade it. Okay, B union C. Complement, right? So outside B and C, we cannot say it, shade it, or we can shade it. And the region that you have shaded just now must be in A, only you take it. Outside of A, we cannot take it. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, we go to the last one. Same thing. Oh, let me label first. P, Q, R. Okay, so Q intersection R, Q and R overlapping area, and will be here. Q and R. This one R is subset of Q, right? Okay, so go back to this. See this symbol again. The region you have shaded just now must be outside of P. Why outside? Because P complement. Inside P we don't want. So here actually we don't want. So this will be the final answer. Okay, it's actually not that hard, right? Okay, let me discuss with you some other SPM questions. Okay, let's try some SPM questions. So this question is like SPM questions, but this is not like taken from the SPM past questions. This is from books, Oxford's. Okay, so we look at this one, how to solve this one. So universal set is F union G union H means that we don't have any other element outside here. Okay, so universe number of element for universal set 75 means that all the elements you add up here you will get 75. And F intersection G, F and G overlapping area will be here, right? 10. So we just write 10. Okay, so G intersection H will be here, 15. Okay, NF equal to NG, NF equal to NG, which is 30. So now be careful. Normally, when we want to write the number of elements, we want to write down the number of elements, we will propose the overlapping area first. To write 10 and 15 first, then only write the other regions. So number of elements for F is 30. So here is 10, so another 20 will be here, right? So G also the same thing, 30, so this is 15. So here must be 52. So you add up these two together, you get 30. You add up these two together, you get 30. So now the question wants us to find this and number of elements for F intersection G union H. Okay, so first we need to understand where is the region here. F intersection G. Okay, F intersection G, F and G overlapping area will be here, right? Okay, union H. Union is actually very easy. Whole thing you take it. Okay, so the answer will be 10. Oh, I'm sorry. So I make some mistake here. This is G, so this is H. So this is not 15. Okay, so this is not correct. Sorry. So G is 30 is in here. Here is 30. So we have 10, we have 15, here 25. So means that here is another 5. Okay, so we need to calculate the number of elements for this part. So how to calculate this one is actually very easy. So total is 75. Total is 75. We just take 75. Okay, so we just take 75 minus 20 minus 10, 5, 50. Okay, so this one you just press the calculator, you should be able to get this is 25, right? Versus sine 3 times rule. Okay, so this is 25. So we know this is here, the number of elements for here is actually 25. Okay, so the final answer will be 10 plus 15 plus 25. Okay, so it will be 50. Answer is donkey. Okay, then we go to the second one. Universal set is 1 until 13 is that integers. And this is P 5, 7, 9, 10. Q is prime number. And R is a multiples of 3. Okay, let me list out the element first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, if you don't want to list out, it's okay. But since that this number of elements for universal set is not a lot, so we can list it out. So easier for you to see how I do it, how I solve it. So P, I just copy first 5, 7, 9, and 10. Okay, R is the multiple of 3. 1, 3, 3. Okay, so 3 is inside here, we can take it. 2, 3, you get 6. Inside here, we can take it. 9, 15. Okay, 15 we cannot take it because 15 is not in the universal set. Okay, so Q was Q. Q is a prime number. So remember, all the set under the universal set, the element must come from the universal set. So prime number, we just choose here. Which one is prime number? So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Okay, let me check again. Okay, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, correct. So now we want to do this one. P union R complement intersection Q. So you can actually draw a Venn diagram if you want. If you don't want, you also can solve it. Okay, P union R. Okay, now I try not drawing a Venn diagram to solve these questions. So P union R. So I just write down all the elements for P union R first. P union R is very easy, mean P plus R. So you have 3, 5, 6, okay, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay, we have 2 9 here. We again can write 1. 9, 10, and 12. Okay, correct. Okay, this is P union R. Since that we want P union R complement, we want this outside of this complement. Okay, then we try to check which element is outside of this. Okay, 1, okay, 2, okay, 3 inside, we cannot take it, 4, okay, 5 inside, 6 inside, 7 inside here, 8, okay, we can take it, 8, 9 is inside here, 10 is inside here, okay, 11 and 13. So this is P union R complement. And these all the element here, which is inside the Q intersection, right? Inside the Q, then only we take it. Means that the overlapping area between these two parts. So what is the answer? 2, okay, we have 2 here, we have 2 here, 3 we don't have here, 11, yes, 11, 13, yes. So we have 2, 11 and 13. So the answer is C. Okay, let's try the last one. Okay, universal set form for student F, student who take tuition in history. So this is history. G is a sign. Okay, so NF is 70. Okay, still remember just now I told you that when you want to label the number of elements, it's better we start from the overlapping area. So when you see 70, don't write 70 here because some of the elements is at here. Okay, so G is 94. Now you have the overlapping area. F and G, overlapping area is here, 22. We write 22 here. And 6 students do not take any tuition, tuition in any of the 2 subjects. So we have to write the 6 outside of these 2 circles. Okay, so F is 70. So you 70, you minus 22, you get 8, 48 here. So G is 94. 94, you minus 22, you will get 72 here, right? Okay, now the question asks you to find the total number of Form 4 students, means all total up. So it will be 48 plus 22 plus 72 plus 6. Okay, so this one you just press the calculator. You should be able to get 148, right? Okay, let me check again, correct or not. 48, 22, 72, 6. Okay, correct, 148. So the answer is B. Okay, so I just stop here for this video. I hope that you understand better after watching this video. If you feel that this video make you understand better, share with your friend who need it. I will really appreciate it, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.